We were asked to promote a tour of two bands that we work with, Deloraine&Cocotte Minute on their Ragnarok and Roll tour. And this is step-by-step tutorial of what we've done to make sure that the ticket sales are the best as possible, and hopefully the tour will be all sold out. So let's do this. First of all, we need some promotional content so we can run the ads. As both bands have super cool music videos and some live footage, we will be using exactly this. So we've prepared some teasers for Deloraine, some teasers for Cocotte Minute. The teasers should also contain some information graphics and call to action. We made for every band several videos so we can test them, and also we made both horizontal and vertical versions so we can run the ads on the feed placement and also on the mobile phones in the vertical placement. And this is the result. We will upload every teaser to our shared Google Drive folder so we can make sure that the client approves the work we've done, and after that we can start creating campaigns. So when we have the teasers ready, we have to make sure that the pre-sale website that we are using, at the moment we are using a Czech provider which is called SMS Ticket, that they can actually prepare for our campaign. What we need, as we will be using Facebook and Instagram ads, we need to install our Facebook pixel to the website so we can measure activity of the people that we take from Facebook and Instagram to the website where they can buy the tickets. So we've already been with contact with SMS Ticket and they installed our Facebook pixel. So now we should be able to see if somebody clicks on our ads and if they buy the tickets. If they buy it, we should exclude them from our ads so we are not targeting them again as they already did what we want. And now let's set up the ads campaign. So we are in Facebook Ads Manager and let's click on Create New Campaign. We should select campaign objective as sales as we want people to purchase the tickets. As we manage multiple campaigns at the same time, we always make sure to use proper description so we don't get lost. We should select website and maximize number of conversion. Let's select our pixel and conversion event which Facebook ads will optimize its purchase. Here you set up your budget, start date, end date. That's pretty obvious, and this is where the magic happens. So this is the targeting. So as we want to target people that are in the vicinity of the concert, you should not target the whole country, but here we will select, for example, Prague, and now the ads will be targeting only people that are in the vicinity or that live in Prague. Detailed targeting is very important. If you are targeting cold audience, you can target people based on their interests. So in this example, I would suggest targeting people based on the genre that they love. So since this is kind of like pagan music, people who love mythology, this is the people who love metal music, you should reflect it here. Now, this is something that you need to play with, so there is no simple key how to target. What I would in general recommend is to target more broad audience, and this is the estimated audience size that Facebook is telling you how big the audience is that you are targeting right now. As for placement, I usually go for manual placement, so I don't like to target the audience network, and here I usually select the places I want. So for example, here it doesn't make sense to target Facebook Marketplace because it's just simply the place where people will not go to buy tickets. But this is up to you. You can actually leave it up to Facebook, automatic placement. The algorithm will try to select what is the best placement for the ads, and this should bring you the best results, but it's up to you. And now this is the last step. This is where we create the ads, and this is what people see on Facebook or Instagram. Since we manage multiple accounts, we need to always select the client's account that we want to use. And here we'll go for manual upload because we want to upload our teasers that we create, our video teasers. I always recommend to select the proper thumbnail because it's not always the best idea to leave it up to Facebook. You can choose from the previewed options, or you can always upload your own, which I usually recommend. Now if you have a vertical version, which as I said I very recommend, this is how you can upload it. So you will go to Stories and Reels and select Edit Group, and here you will select your vertical video, and again you can select thumbnail. Now let's add primary text. You can actually do several options. I would recommend one longer, one shorter, and then also let's add a headline and description. Let's select a proper call to action, and now we have a first variation of how the ad could actually look like. Last step is to add website URL, and after that we can start with the promotion. So let's hit publish and let's see the results. So this is it. This was very basic tutorial how we set up campaigns when we try to boost ticket sales. Of course we go much more in depth when we set it up. This was just really like a demo tutorial to show you how to do it. There is so many variables, so many testing. You need a lot of experience to know what to do. When something is not working, you need to figure out what is not working, where exactly in the chain is it not working, so you can fix the funnel and boost the sales. So this was very simplified version of what we usually do for the bands. Of course we set it up for every concert separately for each band, and we add several options of the promo material. So this is it. If you want to see more examples of how we work with artists to promote their work, their music, their concerts, make sure to follow us. And of course, if you would love our help with promoting your music, your concert, your tour, make sure to leave us a message via our website. If you just visit Digiton.agency, there is a contact form, and we will make sure to respond to every inquiry we receive.